Hi there! Join us while we hike to a hidden gem in the forest of the Rincon de la Vieja volcano.
That's very enthusiastic. I love how
I, of course, couldn't resist giving this guy some love.
Come here, puppy. Bye-bye. Hi, baby. Oh.
This is Victor, our guide. He was fantastic. I'll make sure to tag his company down in the credits. The only way to get to the waterfall is with a guided tour. Because of the location of where the waterfall sits within the canyon, safety gear is required, and they provide it all.
Yep.
Victor was very knowledgeable about all of the flora and fauna within the forest. And he told us beautiful cultural stories about the indigenous people. This was our first crossing over the Rio Blanc River. We were so amazed to see the blue turquoise water, which is due to the presence of sulfur within the river. All of the rivers that run within this forest all come from the Rincon de la Vieja volcano.
Hi. Oh, I am sweating.
Not only was Victor knowledgeable about the flora and fauna within the forest and how to locate certain types of monkeys.
They cover our neck because they can bite us. The bats, right?
Yeah. They are very because they like the black ants.
Will they like vampire-y bite us?
Yeah.
No, I'm just kidding.
No, you're just kidding.
But he's also a comedian.
Oh my God. Wow. Oh my goodness.
I would describe the water as exhilarating and beautiful.
Is that it? Just to the end? Just to the end?
Chris may describe it a different way.
I'm going to get past there as easily and as fast as I can.
Don't think about that, just do it.
Come on, Christopher.
I'm at ball height here.
Come on, baby.
Is my soul going to leave my body?
No, it's right.
My favorite part of this journey so far has been all of the in and out of the water and seeing all the different caverns. And now we finally are approaching the waterfall entrance. Victor is giving us detailed instructions about safety and how to get to the other side. Of course, I had to stop and model for a moment. We were instructed to hold onto the guide rope and get us all the way across, and the closer we got to the waterfall, the more turbulent the water got. This is where it gave me a touch of anxiety, but it was so exhilarating. Our adrenaline was pumping at this point. And then now we made it to the beautiful La Leona waterfall. To get back was a little bit easier. Victor told us to go to the side of the rocks and lay on your tummy and let the current take you all the way through.
Yeah. Good.
It's not so bad once you get valley.
All right, are we done with this guy?
Are we done here?
Because I want to take my shirt off.
This adventure was one of our highlights on our latest trip to Costa Rica. So if you're ever in Costa Rica near the Guanacaste province, definitely check out La Leona waterfalls.